Hello everyone, welcome to hecoos tutorial. In this video, I will introduce the project packing and project merging, these two functions. First, open our hecoos software. This is the scenes. You can use any building models to make your stage vividly. Let's choose a football stadium. Okay, this is a football stadium. Let's just drag something into here. Maybe a audience. Okay. And add some media. Okay, first click on File, choose Project Packing. For this function, you can pack all your project into one document and send it to your friends or other collaborator so they can use that document to open your project or merging that. And about the merging, we will talk about later. Choose a packing path. Let's see, on desktop, and name called test3. And for the resource selection, choose all media resource. It will pack all the media in your media center, or choose the used media resource only. It will only use the resource that you put in your timeline and also the toolbox, that's such like this mail character. But if they don't have these characters, models, or the medias, they may have some troubles when they try to open your project. So I recommend all you guys use this all media resource and confirm. Okay, this is the document that about your project. In this one, it will cover about the light library and also maybe the models and the medias you may use, and you can just zip this one. Yes, here, and you can just send this zipped document to share your document. For the project merge, first you need to save your current document. Or maybe test3 on your desktop and choose save. You have to have a saved project to use project merge. It will just combine two different projects and merge all the stuff, such like the media, the models, where it positioned in the stage, and all other things. So let's choose another one. Then check here and here. And you can merge through timeline or stage or all. Just choose one you want. And just click confirm. Okay, it shows that the merging is a success. Let's see. Whoa. Two different screens and also some projectors. Okay, this is your new merged project.